Hello everyone, welcome back to the another video. In this particular video, we will talk about how you can make a resume a good, which can help you to crack an interview or which can help you to land an interview with any of the organization. And we'll talk about along with that the resume which helped me to crack multiple jobs, multiple internships, and many more roles in my career. And we will talk about a recently a person who cracked an interview and joined the company with that resume. Let's jump into it. First of all, first thing I will talk about at which platform you will talk about the resume. So a good platform which personally I have built my resume at the starting days, that is nothing but you can go for Novo Resume. I believe some of you have heard about this already, but this is a platform I have used personally. At that time, I have to click on register. If you are doing it first time, click on register or sign in. Right now I'm clicking on sign in because I have already created my account, but if you're doing it first time, just click on this sign in one. Then you can see this is my account and go to the my document section. Within that, and my resume will come up. See, modified on 1050 because I did some of the changes over here. That is my older resume I have made, right? And this resume I have cracked from multiple FANG companies also, McKinsey, Accenture, EY, and PayPal, and so many companies, right? And a lot more companies along with that. Now, again, in terms of template, first of all, click on to the layout section. Not layout, you can go for the my templates. Yeah, go for templates. Whenever you do that first time, see, lot of templates are there. You can see this. Some of the templates are paid, right? I'll personally say you should not go for paid right now because most of the people are the fresher or the most of people are having some experience. No need to go for the purchase one, right? So go for basic one, choose this one or this one, whichever you feel like, right? This is my one. You can click on this and you can do that. See, again. And whenever you choose the template, stick to it and close this one. See, this is my resume. And again, most of the people ask me that one, sir, should I have to create my resume with the image or without image? Not necessary, right? Not necessary. If you create a resume along with your photo, that will give impression, right, to the resume or to the interviewer, to the HR, right? But that something is not recommended for the outside India, right? That will be used without photo. Resume will be used most of the time outside India. Okay, so for India purposes, you can create a resume such a way manner, and you can crack any of the resume and the companies in any of the organization. Now go to that data scientist with some grade, motivated data scientist, 3 years of an experience. You can do this one again. So how can I write these things again? No need to write. No need to write. Go to the chat GPT, ask the chat GPT, write 2 lines of paragraph, right? 2 lines or one paragraphs with 3 lines of a summary, right? Related to my resume. Just say like that way. Or I'll give you an example. Okay, go to the chat GPT, go for chat GPT. I'll help you how you can create this paragraph or a summary. Go to that, say write a summary or short summary with respect to my resume as a data analyst. Again, you can, the spelling mistake, it will correct automatically. As a data analyst, I am having 2 years, or I am having done multiple. If you're a fresh, I'm writing like that. I have done multiple projects related to machine learning and deep learning and using Python and SQL, and I am looking for a data analyst position. Just say like that way. See, let's see how ChatGPT will give you the good answer. See, can you see this? But it is large. I can see this is a large one, right? It should be maximum like 2 to 3 lines for you. Just say. Please write it into two, 2 to 3 lines only with highlighted good keywords. See, like that way, and it will give you. See, data and see, isn't looks better. I can zoom it for you. You can see that one. Isn't looks better. Experienced data scientist or experienced data analyst, skilled in Python, SQL, machine learning, and you can see if you have seen this, Python is bold here, SQL is bold here, machine learning is bold here, right? So in your entire resume, whatever skill sections you have to bold those skills. That is very important. So go to that part. You can copy this and paste it over here. As simple as that, right? First thing. Now, right hand side, your email should be there, phone number should be there, and again, phone number and all, it's not required, but it should be there if you have put it down. Your living, where you are living, your hometown, LinkedIn profile, GitHub profile, one thing. And your photo should be professional. Do not put your photo just like you have wear glasses, you are giving a pose. No, not like that. आपको ऐसा कोई पोज देना ही नहीं है. You should not apply a photo जहाँ पे आप कोई पोज दे रहे हो, right? You are seeing to the views, you are seeing a pahad and all that. This is not a professional one, right? Go for wear a suit, wear a tie or something like that, and a decent smile on your face. So such a way manner you can do that. Again, if you're not clear से मेरे को photo कैसा लगाना है, go to the Google ना. Google has each and every answer, right? Why you are thinking so many of things to Google the things? Just write resume, professional images. See, like that way, and go to the images section. See, a lot of images are there. uh, Images only, just say like that one. Let's see. Oh, where are the images? Where are the images? No, 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 just say like this. For resume image, or say like that way, resume images for job. Oh, come on. For job. Why it's not doing it? For job. See, you can see some of the images are there. See, you can take a picture like this. It should be professional. It's straight enough, right? This one, this one, this one. This is how you have to choose the image very carefully. Once you do that, come to the work experience. Again, sir, I don't have any experience. Then who is asking you the experience? They are asking you your projects. If you are coming from fresher, just put down your project name here at the company which you have done the project. If not, that's fine. No need to mention. Just put your project name. Within that, how much duration you took. For example, you took only 15 days. Just mention 1 month. 13 days, 1 month, 25 days, 1 month, as simple as that. Location, put anything, that's fine. And the careful thing which you have to do, that is a lines. Always mention 4 to 5 lines maximum. Do not go maximum 5 line within this section. Again, whenever you put down those description, what you have done into your resume or in your project, those keywords should be highlighted. That means जो भी description इसमें आप लिखोगे, that should be highlighted. Why is it important? Because as a recruiter, जो कोई भी आपका resume first time देखेगा, that should be highlighted. Okay, I don't care about कि इस बंदे ने पूरे प्रोजेक्ट में ये क्या किया, बट मुझे पाइथन दिखाई दे गया. ओके, दैट मीन्स दिस पर्सन ने पाइथन पे काम किया. ओके, स्टैटिस्टिकल मॉडलिंग पे काम किया. ओके, दिस पर्सन डेटा कलेक्शन भी किया, डेटा प्रोसेसिंग भी किया है. I don't need to worry about. No one has a time to read your entire resume. Definitely, right? So highlighting a keyword is important. One thing. Second thing is that whenever you create your resume, put your keywords. अभी keywords क्या है? Can you see this? Machine learning is a keyword. AWS is a keyword. Deep learning is a keyword. Ensemble modeling, Power BI, Pandas. These are my keywords. Again, ये keywords सिर्फ skill section में नहीं होने चाहिए. See, statistical modeling यहाँ पर भी है, and it is highlighted also. Mathematical analysis यहाँ पर भी है, processing यहाँ पर भी है, customer segmentation यहाँ पर भी है, Python यहाँ पर भी है, hypothesis यहाँ पर भी है. What I'm trying to say, in your entire resume जितने ज़्यादा keywords होंगे उतने ज़्यादा chances होंगे आपका profile, आपका resume shortlist होने में. Second thing, right? You got my point. So create a resume such a way manner, description सिर्फ 4 से 5 लाइन का होना चाहिए, and then that should be highlighted the keywords, and keyword जितने ज़्यादा होंगे उतना ज़्यादा अच्छा होगा, right? Go to the education section. Sir, again, what about the projects? कितने projects मुझे डालना है? How many projects I have to put into my resume? 1 and 2. This is something I built earlier. Now in your resume you should mention only max to max 3 resume, not resume, I'm my bad, that should be 2 to 3 projects only, maximum 2, and 2 to 3 only. Do not go beyond 3. Why? Because it will take a lot of space. अगर सारे ही resume में आप projects डाल दोगे, that पढ़ने वाला बंदा, it will feel like इस बंदे ने ज़्यादा ही काम किया हुआ है. No, no, no. Just go for 2 to 3 only maximum. Then come to the education. In the education part, you should not go to 12th, 10th marks. No, everybody knows that. अगर आपने graduation किया है, you did your 10, 12, that's fine. No one cares about your marks in the professional life, right? They care about what degree you have done. Based on the degree, they will judge you. Okay, okay, इस बंदे को Python, machine learning ये सब आता होगा, right? This person has a BTech, that means इसको software engineering तो आता होगा, in a way manner, right? So just mention this and the year and the degree and the college where you have done. That's it. In the certification, if you have done, that is good, mention here. If not, that is fine, no need to mention. Language, if you have done it, do it, otherwise no need for that. Do not mention. यहाँ पे skills वाला section भी आएगा. Skills के नीचे sections will come. Interest, right? Interest section, hobby section. Why? Those interview are not sitting there to ask your hobbies, right? कि क्या आपको पसंद है? They will not offer you any food over there, right? So just remove those. Just mention those things into your resume जो आपके प्रोफाइल के लिए relevant है. Make sure always. Now, I will write some pointers for you also. First thing I'm writing over here, and I'll come little bit down. I'll write over here and I'll make it zoom. Okay, why it's not coming? I have to reopen, I believe. It's not opening over here. I have to reopen OneNote and it's opening. Now within this part, I will write one pointer that is nothing but, first thing is that Novo Resume, novoresume.com, right? You can go for this. Second is that whenever you create your resume, bold the bold the skills keywords, right? Third thing is that WRDS. Third thing is that highlight the keywords, as many as you can, as many as you can. Highlight the keywords, just like I'm writing the example also, like SQL, Python, etc. All these keywords, जितने ज़्यादा keywords, उतने ज़्यादा chances your profile going to be shortlisted. Then bold the skills. That means if you are writing over here Pythons, anywhere in the skill section or outside of the skill section, that should be bold like this, and control B. See, this is something should be bold enough, right? Then another point, whenever you create your resume, in the description, write only 4 to 5 lines max. That means these lines can be 3, and 3 से कम नहीं होना चाहिए, I believe. Not should not be less than 3. That's it. Should not be less than 3. Now, fifth point, no need to mention your 10th and 12th marks. No one going to ask you that one, okay? And another point is that no need to mention your interest section, or like whether you like books or not. No need to that, right? Interest or what I can say, hobbies, no need to mention. Remove those criteria over there. These are the things you should focus enough in your resume whenever you build it. And in terms of template, go to that template, choose any one of the basic one or free version one. That is right. See, go to the functional one. See, that looks better. You can do this one also. Right hand side, you have the image and all the things. And these buttons should be clickable also. Whenever I click on this linkedin.com or this github.com, click on it. See, okay, right now it's not saved, but when I click on it, oh, it's not working. I have to download it actually. Let me download it quickly. And PDF only. Why it's not clicking directly? PDF, no need to do that. Click on it. I have downloaded already. I'll show it to you, right? It is taking so long time to download. I have downloaded it already. Hmm? I'll show it to you quickly. See, this is the resume. Someone have built it such a way manner. See this. They have built in a manner. You can see that these links, this one, but there's a mistake over here. The things which are not highlighted, right? For example, they are using Tableau. You can see this Tableau. Tableau is not highlighted. It should be highlighted, but this person is also cracked an interview. When I click on this, see linkedin.com. Whenever I click on this, click on allow, this will open. Hmm? Devanshu is opening over. You can see that over it's opening. See this mail ID and this LinkedIn has been open, each and everything. So the links should be clickable also. That's something you have to check. And this is the person have recently cracked an interview within the Turing, and this is how they have used a Nova resume to build their a good resume and cracked an interview. See that 2 to 3 lines, and he did mention only three projects over here. Work experience, he has some work experience also. Data analyst, he worked within the organization. Basically, he have mentioned the interest, but you should not. You can remove it. It's not necessary. And always make sure whenever you create your resume is not empty anywhere, right? If you can see at the down, see there is no extra spaces here. There's no extra spaces, right? But if I remove this interest, so there is an extra space over here. So you have to fill that. That means you have to make sure whenever you are going to make your resume, too much space should not be there or too less space should not be there. That means average it should be there. Space is part. These things are really important. This is how you can create your resume, and this will be helpful for you to crack any of the job. That is it for this particular video. Thanks for watching it, guys.